It's been a week and I still can't stop listening to HAIM's Women in Music Part 3. This will be my 6th lesson from this album. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Gasoline. So if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have a few more lessons from this album coming your way and you're not going to want to miss them. Enjoy. So the first part of this song is made up of 2 bar chords. It's an A major bar chord and a B major bar chord. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your thumb on the 5th fret of the low E string. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and you're going to bar the B and high E string on the 5th fret with your pointer finger. Then for the B major, you're just going to move it up a whole step, or 2 frets. Now for the lick, you're just going to bar the A, D, and G strings on the 9th fret with your index finger. And you're going to hammer on to the 11th fret with your 3rd finger on the A string. All put together, it sounds like this. Next section is made up of 4 chords, first of which is an A major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Next is an E major chord, E major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. And you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 9th fret. Next is a B major chord. So you're just going to take the E major bar chord and move it down to the 2nd fret. And last is an A major with an F sharp bass. So you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your thumb on the 2nd fret of the low E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the next part is 2 chords. We already learned them. It's an A major with an F sharp bass and a B major. And it sounds like this. And really quick, you'll notice that on the A major with the F sharp bass, I'm placing my ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string and my pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string.